Hello, dear followers. Glad to have you on this learning journey. Mastering natural English expressions boosts fluency and confidence. These 50 key phrases will help you respond effortlessly in any situation. Let's dive in and grow together.
That makes sense. That makes sense. You have a point. You have a point. I see what you mean. I see what you mean. You can say that again. You can say that again. We're on the same page. We're on the same page. I can't make up my mind. I can't make up my mind. Time will tell. Time will tell. It's just a matter of time. It's just a matter of time. It's up to you. It's up to you. That's out of the question. That's out of the question. I didn't see that coming. I didn't see that coming. That was a close call. That was a close call. I'm not buying it. I'm not buying it. Over my dead body. Over my dead body. You're in hot water. You're in hot water. Let's get to the point. Let's get to the point. Let's call it a day. Let's call it a day. I'll take care of it. I'll take care of it. Let's get this over with. Let's get this over with. It's not worth it. It's not worth it. I'm not in the mood. I'm not in the mood. I can't put it into words. I can't put it into words. Keep your chin up. Keep your chin up. I'm all ears. I'm all ears. I'm not feeling well. I'm not feeling well. No hard feelings. No hard feelings. It slipped my mind. It slipped my mind. I owe you one. I owe you one. I'm counting on you. I'm counting on you. Don't push your luck. Don't push your luck. It's worth a shot. It's worth a shot. Better late than never. Better late than never. You've got nothing to lose. You've got nothing to lose. It's now or never. It's now or never. It's a win-win situation. It's a win-win situation. It's out of my hands. It's out of my hands. That's the last straw. That's the last straw. It's none of your business. It's none of your business. Let's agree to disagree. Let's agree to disagree. I can't help it. I can't help it. I'll get back to you. I'll get back to you. Give it a try. Give it a try. Would you like more? Would you like more? I have a lot on my plate. I have a lot on my plate. It's a no-brainer. It's a no-brainer. You made my day. You made my day. You took the words right out of my mouth. You took the words right out of my mouth. I wasn't born yesterday. I wasn't born yesterday. Let's keep in touch. Let's keep in touch. I'll take care of it. I'll take care of it.